Welcome back to Edulexis. Today is day 60, and we are building a fully functional flashcard study app using Python and Tkinter. If you've ever wanted to create your own study tool to memorize vocabulary, coding syntax, or exam questions with a clean graphical user interface, this project is for you. Let's look at how the final app works before we write our first line of code. To build this application, we need two core Python libraries, Tkinter for our graphical user interface windows, and a JSON to load and save our study questions dynamically. Let's create a new file named flashcard_app.py and import our modules. We'll also structure a sample dataset of dictionary items containing questions and answers right inside our script or in an external JSON file. Now, let's initialize our main application window using Tkinter. We will set the window title to Edulexis Flashcard Study App, define a comfortable working dimension like 800 by 600 pixels, and choose a clean, distraction-free background color suitable for studying. Every great learning tool starts with a calm, readable interface. Next, we need a visual card element to display our flashcard text. We'll use a Tkinter canvas widget with a crisp white background and a subtle border to mimic a real physical index card. Inside this canvas, we will position our text placeholder, where questions and answers will appear dynamically. Let's write a data loading function. We will create a list of dictionaries where each dictionary stores a question and its corresponding answer. For example, Python terminology or geography facts. We'll make sure our program can easily fetch a random card from this list whenever the user starts a session. To make studying effective, cards should appear in random order. We'll use Python's built-in random module to pick a random dictionary from our flashcard list. Let's write a function called a next_card that selects a random item and updates our canvas text with the question. Let's connect our random card selector to the canvas text items. We'll use canvas.create_text to place our question text right in the center with a readable font size, such as Arial 24 bold. Whenever next_card is called, the canvas text updates instantly to show the new question. A flashcard isn't complete without a flip feature. Instead of an instant flip, let's add a 3-second timer using root.after. When a question appears, the app waits 3 seconds, then automatically flips the card to reveal the answer on the canvas, changing the background color to give visual feedback. Let's define our flip_card function. When triggered, it updates the canvas title to answer, changes the displayed text to a current_card answer, and changes the card canvas background to a soft green or blue shade to signify that the answer side is now active. Now let's add user response buttons at the bottom of the window, a wrong button and a rights button. We'll load custom icons or use cleanly styled text buttons with distinct colors, red for incorrect and green for correct, so the student can log their progress easily. When a student clicks right, we want to remove that card from the active study list, so they don't waste time on mastered concepts. When they click wrong, the card stays in the rotation. Let's write the logic inside is_known to remove the item from our list and immediately call a next_card dot. To ensure students don't lose their remaining cards when closing the app, let's integrate JSON file saving. We'll write a function that saves the current unmastered flashcards list into a words_to_learn.json file whenever progress updates or the app closes. On startup, our script should check if words_to_learn.json exists. If it does, we load those specific cards so the student can resume right where they left off. If not, we fall back to our default starter deck. This makes our study app truly practical and persistent. Let's run the complete script and test every feature. We see the main window load, the question appear, the 3-second timer trigger the flip to the answer, and our buttons correctly removing mastered cards and refreshing the view. Everything runs smoothly without errors. Congratulations! You've successfully built a complete Flashcard Study App in Python, combining Tkinter GUIs, event timers, and JSON file persistence on day 60 of Edulexis. For your challenge today, try adding a score counter label to track how many cards you've mastered in a session. Hit subscribe, drop a like, and we'll see you tomorrow for day 61.
Thank you for watching. Like if you learned something, share with your circle, and subscribe for more.